Good morning, kids. Welcome to English class. In this class, we are going to recite one poem, and the title of the poem is
Kids,
To
open
Market.
page number 116 of your book. Page number 116. And now it's rhyme time. Okay. So there is one rhyme, to market. The name of the rhyme is to market. So start with ma'am. Okay. So all of you start like this. My name is so and so. Your name. I am going to recite one rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is to market. So start. To market, to buy vegetables. To market, to buy vegetables. Home again, jig. So you all go to market to buy vegetables. So repeat with ma'am one more time. To market, to buy vegetables. Home again, jig. Now second paragraph. To market, to buy fruits. Home again, jig. So here we go to market to buy vegetables. Now we go to market to buy some fruits. So repeat after me. To market, to buy fruits. Home again, jig. Now the third paragraph. To market, to buy a cream bun. To market, to buy a cream bun. Home again, market is done. Okay. So here 3 paragraphs are there. One time you are going to market to buy vegetables. Second time you are going to market to buy some fruits. And third time you go to market to buy a creamy bun. Okay. And when your shopping is done, home again, market is done. And you are happy. Why? Because you got your creamy bun. Okay. So let's sing with ma'am one more time all together. Okay. To market, to buy vegetables. Home again, jig. To market, to buy fruits. Home again, jig. To market, to buy a cream bun. Home again, market is done. Okay? Okay, kids? Now come to page number 117 of your book. Page number 117. The very next page. And there is an integrated activity. I told you the meaning of integrated means related to your previous activities. Okay, whatever you have read, from that only this activity is there, not from the poem, but from any page of your book. Now when you will do, you can judge from where it is taken. Now match the pictures to the blends. So the second topic which we have covered, blends. Okay, so revise it one more time. Which picture is this? This is a swing. Okay, so we can put number 1 here, swing. This is swing. Okay, so swing. Which blend is there in the spelling of swing? Swa. Is this swa? No. Is this swa? No. Is this swa? Yes. So put number 1. Swing, swa. Okay. Now second is frog. Number 2. Now find the blend fra. Yeah, it is here only. Put number 2. Frog spelling fra. F-R, fra. Now third, sleep. This child is sleeping. Sleep. Find out sla. Sla is here. So put number 3. Sla, sleep. Okay. And the last one is what? Drum. Dra. Fourth number. Where is dra? It is here only. Put number 4. Okay. So I think you all know how to match the blends. You all have read about this fra, sla, swa and dra. Okay. Now there's one more activity. Count the number of pictures of non-living things on this page. You know non-living things? those who cannot move, cannot grow, they have no life. Okay, write the number in the box. So living beings means those who have life, those who grow, those who breathe, respire, everything. So here living things are frog and the child. This frog, okay, this frog can grow from toad to frog, tadpole to frog. This baby grows to adult, eats, drinks. So these two are living, but we have to find non-living. So number one is this swing. Swing is without life. So 1. Teddy bear is without life. 2. Bed sheet 3. Pillow 4. Bed 5. And 6. Drum is also non-living thing. So we have found 6 non-living things on this page. Okay, if you find more, you can write more. Okay, completed? Do it.